Students, it's your maths class. I am Shikha Srivastav, your maths teacher. It's chapter 1, Integers, part 2. In my last video, I have discussed about addition and subtraction of integers. Now, our today's topics are multiplication of integers, properties of multiplication of integers, in which we will discuss closure property, commutative law for multiplication, associative law for multiplication. Now, we will see multiplication rules for integers. Rule 1. To find the product of two integers with unlike signs, we find the product of their values regardless of their signs and give a minus sign to the product. Means, if we are having two digits or two integers with different signs, so our answer will always be negative. Means, if any number is positive and other number is negative, or one number is negative and other number is positive, that means our answer will be negative only. Let's see with examples. If we are having one number 6 multiply with minus 5, so our answer will be minus 30. Minus 7 multiply with 9. So here again we can see one integer is negative and the another one is positive. So our answer is negative. Minus 63. If one number is 35 and other number is minus 18. So our answer is minus 630. If one number is minus 42 and other number is 20, means one number is negative and other number is positive, our answer will be minus 840. Now, rule 2. To find the product of two integers with the same sign, we find the product of their values regardless of their sign and give a plus sign to the product. 12 multiplied by 16. Both numbers are positive. So our answer will be positive. It is plus 192. And other example, minus 8 multiplied with minus 14. That means both signs are same. Our answer will be positive. Plus 112. Now, we will understand with more example. As I told you that when we multiply two same sign, our answer will be positive only. And when we multiply two different sign, our answer will be negative. Let's understand by examples. 15 multiplied with 4. First of all, we will check our both integers with same sign or not. You can see here 15 is also positive and 4 is also positive. So that means my answer should be positive only. My answer is plus 60. Okay. Now, if I am having minus 7 multiply with minus 5. First of all, we will check both the sign of integers. 7 is also negative and 5 is also negative. 7 5s are 35. Because the both sign are same, that means our answer will be positive. If one number is positive and other number is negative, as I told you before only that both integers are with different sign. That means my answer will be negative only. So my answer is minus 18. Hope you all understand how to multiply. So be careful with the sign of your answer, because one sign can change the whole meaning of your answer. Okay, so be careful with the sign. Now, properties of multiplication of integers. First of all, we will see closure property. The product of two integers is always an integer. It means if we multiply two integers, you all know what are integers? All negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. These whole numbers are known as integers. So जब हम दो integers को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका आंसर भी एक इंटीजर ही होता है. लाइक इफ आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 7 multiplied with 5, so my answer will be 35. Okay, and if I will multiply with like -8 multiplied with -7, answer will be 56. It is also an integer. -7 also is an integer and 56 is also an integer. The second rule is commutative law for multiplication. For any two integers a and b, we have a multiplied by b is equals to b multiplied by a. It means if we are having two integers like 2 multiplied by 3, these both are integers, so the answer is 6. And when I will change the order of multiplication, then also answer will be same. This property is known as commutative law for multiplication. Now the next property is associative law for multiplication, in which we can see if we are having three digits a, b and c, here also we can change the order of three of them and then our answer will be same. Like here you can say in this example, if I am multiplying 3 multiply with -5 multiplied with -8, so my answer is 120. And when I change the order of that numbers, then also I get the same answer. That means associative law for multiplication shows again we can change the order of the numbers, then also our answer will be same. Okay, hope you all understand how can we multiply in integers also. In my next video we will discuss about more properties about multiplication and some properties of division also. Thank you.